Hello again, everyone. Now I am on the very nice path to get into the Love Waterfall. Look at it. This is right here. Is the Buffalo Field. It's very pretty, and this waterfall location right into the national park. That tree is very green. It's so pretty with some trekking gate from the Singapore as well. The weather today is so cool. It's not cold and not hot. It's very good to swim. Just downstairs you can see Buffalo swimming pool. Sand is right here. Incredible. The view, it feels like a paradise right here. On the way to the horizon. Yeah. Golden stream. A lot of frog right here. They are singing very interesting as well. Yeah, this is the golden stream. When all the water is covering the rock, you can see the rock like a yellow color. That's why we call golden stream. The water here possible to drink. Yeah, time to crossing the stream. Little steps. Woo! Beautiful! My God, so cool to get inside. Look at that. Today water very high. A lot of stairs to get inside. Nearly there. This is the moon tree. Yes, cool, amazing, look at this. Time to swim. A hut is downstairs. Nice breeze. Thank you for watching. See you next video.